Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a web page by using HTML in Notepad. So let's start with video. First, in search box, just type Notepad and open the Notepad. Now here you can write your code. So first instruction I will write as it's like instruction to web browser that this is a document of HTML type. Every HTML program have basic tag as a HTML. It's like a root tag. So I have given HTML as the starting tag and I will give closing tag HTML. Now see, when you give the tag name at that time, starting and closing tag name remains same. Only this forward slash indicates that this is the closing tag. And please make practice when you give this starting tag at the same time you are giving the closing tag also. Now within this basic tag, I will write two parts within this HTML document. So first part is a head tag. So I will give completion of head tag. After that, body tag. So I will give start and completion of body tag. Now within this head tag, I will give the title. So starting tag as a title and closing tag title. Within this title tag, suppose I am giving name as a welcome. Now this title will be given to your web browser page. Now within this body tag, the content, whatever you want to display on web page, that contents you can give within this body tag. So within body tag, suppose I want to display heading as welcome to. Now within this body tag, suppose I want to give a heading. So I will give the header tag and I will give size as a H1. Okay. This heading tags are ranging from H1 to H6 and H1 is considered as the biggest size. If I give H1 and inside that welcome to HTML. Okay. And suppose I give another tag H2. So here we will give size as a H2. Okay. And welcome to HTML. Now H1 is a highest size. After that H2 is a smaller than H1. Like that size range will get reduced from H1 to 6. Suppose for this text I want to give a color. So I can use this style is equal to, suppose I want to give color as a red, so I will give color red. Also for this H2 tag, suppose I want to give a color as aqua. There is some standard list of colors, from that you can take the color, so I am taking as aqua. Now save this program. To save this program, you are supposed to use option file, save. Now suppose on the desktop I want to save the program. So on the desktop I will create a new folder having name as the web. Okay. Within I will select path for this folder as a web, and within this web, suppose I want to save this program as a demo1.html. Please make sure that you are giving extension as a .html, and here file type you will select as a all files. So here HTML is the extension and here file type should be used as a all files. After that click on save option. Now I will minimize this notepad and just I will check the web folder. So within this web folder demo1 file is created. So just I will double click on it. Now you can observe here we have given title as a welcome. So it is coming to the browser title. After that H1 tag I have given in a red color. So it is displayed here. After that H2 color. You can observe that H1 is having big size and H2 is smaller than h1. Like this size will get reduced up to like 6. Okay. Now we'll see some another basic tags which we can use in HTML. Suppose after this headings, I want to give horizontal line. Then I can use HR tag. Simply you are supposed to write HR. Okay. It is a self-closing tag separately. No need to close this tag. So simply you can write HR means horizontal line will come. So again, if you do any changes within file, just press Ctrl S, or you can use option file and save. Again, minimize this file, and to this same file here, web browser, just you can refresh it so that again your updated output will come. So here it is showing the horizontal line. Okay. If I want to write some paragraph within this HTML document, then I can use the tag as a P. Again, starting and closing of this tag. Within this, suppose I want to write a statement, welcome to my channel. Okay. And suppose I want to write next statement to the new line, then I can give this BR tag. This is also self-closing tag. If I give BR, it means that it's like a line breaking. It will break this line here and it will take cursor to the new line. Rest of the contents will come to the new line. So here I want to give new line as a software technology empire. Suppose I want to display this content by using color blue, then again I can use the option style is equal to color blue, and suppose I want to display this software technology empire in italic form, then I can give this name in italic tag. So starting of italic and closing of italic. So I will complete this tag here. Again, save your program by using file, save option, or simply you can press Ctrl S. Again, you can minimize this notepad and just refresh this page so that your expected output will come. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.